Hello, bro.
Hello.
I'm searching a tuition for English speaking.
Oh, so if you are searching for English tuition, so you come at a right place. Uh, I'm also studying in a tuition. That's tuition name is TKP, in which I read English. The teacher was a verified and qualified teacher, and they help us to speak or learn English. If you want more information, so you can ask.
Yes, I want more information.
Like what information you want? Like speaking information or learning information? Yeah. What?
Speaking information.
The speaking information in which the teacher help us. The teacher help us through active days, role plays in which the students stand on the come on the stage and speak about the topic, and they do the role like what the teacher said, and that's it. What the teacher. So because of that, student's confidence level goes at upper level, so he can speak in his interview or anywhere else, yeah, where he wants to speak.
Who is your teacher?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. My teacher's name is Aman sir. You can also check on YouTube his YouTube channel, and you can also go and check his Instagram channel. It is English with Aman, and YouTube is also English with Aman. So now, when you want to come?
I want to come.
Ask about the fee. You can ask about the duration, like for how long will your teacher teach me spoken English. You can also ask about the place and all. Continue.
First of all, since when have your teacher teach you?
I have around 2-3 months, or
It's been only 2 or 3 months.
it's been only 2 months or 3 months.
And I think
like-
I'm confident now.
And I think I'm that confident that I can speak in English with everyone or with anyone that you want to speak with. Yeah, if you like whom you were scared that I can talk with him.
What is your fee? What is your fee?
It is around 450.
Brand company right now.
450
हाँ,
or 600. If you want more information, so you can ask me. Is he your friend?
Yes.
Is he also want to join?
We also want to join.
So why he isn't asking question? Is he not confident to ask any question, or he is a beginner?
उसको दूसरी का मौका दो. Well, I also want to take English class.
Well, I am also take English classes. I
I also want to take English class.
am also want to take.
I also want to take English class.
I also want to take English class
Because I'm not confident in English.
because I'm not confident in English.
हाँ, बताओ.
Oh,
So you can.
yeah, sure you can. Like you can see me that how confident I. If you want any example, so I can give. If you want to ask any question in Hindi, so I can translate in English.
Can you tell me education of your teacher?
So I think not any degree can define him. Although his teaching way was so awesome. Like you can see, I love many examples. Like you can see me, I am talking English very frequently, and don't underestimate me or don't underestimate you. I'm just taking an example. Okay. So if you want to join, so you can come.
Can you give me address?
So Sunehri Chowk, Shaba Dairy, Delhi, nearby primary school. You can also try.
Yeah, every address and all the details of Aman sir has been mentioned in the description.
Even the details and all of the description that I give you are all in the description. Please check out and comment below. So, do you want to come or you want
Online or offline class?
you want to take online or offline classes? They both are available.
I want offline classes. So, do you think if any student joins Aman sir's tuitions, so student will speak confidently and fluently English?
Yeah, I can.
How can you say? Can you give me examples? Some examples.
Yeah, like how can I give examples?
Even
The live example is me. What do you want to see else? And if you want to come, or if you want, if there is your first day, so first of all, the Aman sir checks if you are a beginner or you know some English or you are an expert of English. So then he starts to teach you on that basis. Like if you are a beginner, so he starts from the starting. If you are a expert or a medium level player, so he treated you on that level. So like I am a beginner also, and so don't underestimate me or don't describe me. So
I want any example except you.
you can take any of these students from here. They can be example.
I want to choose that girl. Can you come in here? Come here.
Yeah.
So first of all, why are you learning English here?
Because of my career, and it's my passion.
and really
So we have more tuition for English spoken. So why are you choose this tuition?
Because Aman sir teach very well, and I watch their videos in my phone.
Oh, nice. So I will try to come here.
Now I'm impressed by your teacher.
Now I'm impressed your teacher.
By your teacher. I impressed your teacher.
By your teacher.
And I will definitely come to your class.
I'll definitely come to your tuition.
Once आप पूछो तो once सवाल करो.
If you want to ask any question or any doubt that you have, yeah. Can she go? If you are satisfied with us, so you can see the you can see the example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now are you satisfied?
Yes, sir.
So do you want to join the tuition or
Yes.
you are?
If I will join this tuition, then what? And what will
And that's all I'm going and I'm meeting.
that's all.
Okay.
That's all. So that's all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video. Please do like, share, comment, and tell us how our performance is. And follow the Instagram account of Aman sir and subscribe the YouTube channel. And also, if you want, so you can come in tuition or the English classes that Aman sir gives. Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye.